Hi guys. So did you know the report according to the Securities and Exchange Board of India SEBI, 90% of the active retail traders they lose money in future and options and other derivatives. And listen more than 99% of the traders they are not able to beat even the index, be it be Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, etc. So today with this video, let's dig out the reason why more than 98% of the people who invest they are not able to make money from the share market. The first and foremost thing which is responsible for this is that the schools and colleges do not have financial literacy in their curriculums. So this is the major drawback in the Indian education system, because all these schools, colleges, they focus on rote learning rather than practical exposure. So this has proved to be a major loophole in the Indian education system, because of which our children are not having the awareness of financial literacy. From their initial days only, the traditional times, there has been thinking that this investment in the share market is a gambling, but no, it does not work like that. It is not a gambling. I've told you in my previous 2 videos I have dedicatedly made on this topic itself. You will get to know that it is a business, and yes, you can make money out of it also. And moreover guys, surprisingly, the people, they're not ready to learn about the investment, about the financial literacy, about investing in share market and all, even though the free resources are available freely in the market or online. So guys, now that you have subscribed this channel, you are with us in this financial literacy journey. I will provide you the free resources, PDFs in the future. Now the another thinking what people usually think is that when they will invest in the stock market, they will end up losing all their money. But no, I have made previous video also. I've told you that if you will invest according to a particular strategy, particular plan, and out of your emotions or sentiments, you will definitely succeed in making money from the share market. Now the other major issue I tell you guys is that people, they are afraid of losing their money. They are afraid of investing their savings, the money which they have saved for their future. They are not ready to put that into risk. They go for the other risk-free options available in the market, just like the returns from the savings account and the fixed deposits, the FDs, and nothing more than that. But I tell you guys, the FDs, fixed deposits, also comes with a risk. If the borrower which have taken money from the bank, if he or she defaults, then the bank will not be able to pay the amount to the customer or the investor also. And the other major drawback is that by investing in fixed deposits, it is very much possible that they will not be able to even beat the inflation, because inflation is one thing which is also rising, which is also takes part in that. So technically their money will decrease, it will not increase after investing in the FDs or other options. So guys, I know this point is a little bit technical for you all, that how it can happen that our money can decrease with the time, what the inflation role plays in this. So I will make a separate further video on this topic, particularly a single video I will make in which I will explain you particularly everything related to this topic. Now the last part which comes into play is that now everyone wants to live a risk-free life, but investment in share market, it comes with a risk. So most people, they avoid entering into the share market and end up getting no benefit from this, losing money and getting the value of their money decreased with time. So guys, as I explained you everything with the help of this video, with the help of these points, I will really hope that you guys don't repeat this mistake, and because you are here, you stay connected with us so that you could learn the financial literacy which the schools and colleges fail to tell you, fail to teach you on this channel. Till then, hoping everything in this video I've told is clear to you. If you have any other queries, you can ask us in comment section of this video. And that is all for this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, thank you very much.